Today we're upgrading fried rice with Regal Fish salmon portions. Quick, tasty and packed with omega-3s. Thick, succulent salmon portions from Regal Fish. Pre-cut and ready to cook. Heat a little oil, season the salmon, fry skin side down till crispy. Then flip and glaze with soy. About 4 to 5 minutes total. Set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic, ginger and the white bits of spring onion until fragrant. Push aside and scramble the eggs. Add cold rice and peas, break up clumps, then finish with soy sauce and sesame oil for that glossy takeout flavour. Serve the rice in bowls and top with the golden salmon. Sprinkle green onions, chilli and lime for a bold finish. Want recipe details? Click the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Regal Fish.